future NHS doctors, do you know the importance of a medical portfolio? I am sure you do. But how to create a winning NHS medical portfolio? There is a doubt. So today I'll walk you through how to create a standout NHS medical portfolio that not only showcases your achievements but also propels your career forward. Let's get started. Firstly, let us find out what exactly is an NHS medical portfolio. A medical portfolio is a dynamic collection of documents that evidence your professional journey, competencies, and continuous learning within healthcare. It's not just a folder of certificates, it's a personal showcase demonstrating your growth and accomplishments to potential employers or review panels. Now, let's explore why is it so important. A strong portfolio provides a structured way to highlight your professional narrative, helping you to stand out in a competitive field. It's also a vital tool for self-reflection and career planning, allowing you to track your progress and identify areas for future development. In the UK, portfolios are becoming more common in postgraduate medical education for evaluating progress. They are especially important during the foundation years and later in specialized training. They're also a key part of the yearly appraisal called Annual Review of Competency Progression for trainee doctors. Now, what do you think are the key components of a strong medical portfolio? Let me walk through you. Firstly, oral or e-poster presentation. Showcase your research findings through dynamic presentations and digital posters. Most medical specialists include presentations as part of the portfolio score. This means sharing your work with other medical or scientific experts either verbally or through posters. You can present findings from audits, improvement projects, case reports, research results, etc. Your score depends on three factors. Number one, oral or poster presentation. Oral presentations usually score higher than comes a poster presentation and then those who attend the presentation. Number two, number of presentations. And number three, level of the meeting, whether it's local, regional, national, or international. Audit and QI. For many international medical graduates, the concepts of audit and quality improvement might be new. Audit and QI enhances healthcare quality through systematic evolution and continuous improvement initiatives. In medical portfolios, audit and QI projects are often crucial because providing excellent healthcare is paramount. ALS course. ALS course provides master life-saving techniques by enrolling in a UK ARC accredited advanced life support training program. The Resuscitation Council UK offers a 2-day ALS course to teach advanced life support skills. With over 20,000 healthcare professionals trained annually, ALS covers vital resuscitation skills. This includes adult CPR, identifying and managing patients in critical condition, and teamwork during emergencies. Teaching methodology. In most specialties, demonstrating your teaching experience is crucial. This involves instructing healthcare students and professionals such as medical or nursing students as well as colleagues like doctors or nurses. You will earn more points based on frequency of teaching, length of the teaching program, whether you organize the teaching yourself or not. Additionally, you will need to provide feedback from those you have taught, which is vital in most specialties. Commitment to a specialty. Your commitment to a specialty is a significant part of your portfolio score. The selection committee wants to see your dedication to a career in that field. You can demonstrate your commitment through a number of things, includes medical student electives, clinical attachments, taster weeks or short clinical attachments, attendance at relevant courses and conferences, keeping a logbook of relevant procedures, publications, audits, and presentations in that specialty, relevant exams or qualifications. Leadership and research. Showcase your leadership roles and any research contributions to underline your expertise. Typically, they focus on medical-related leadership roles like being on a doctor's committee or managing department schedules. Some also consider leadership roles outside medicine, like chairing a medical society. While courses in medical leadership are beneficial to earn points, you must apply what you have learned in real leadership roles. Scores often considers medical versus non-medical roles, length of time in the role, evidence of your impact as a leader. Now, let me share with you some tips to build a competitive UK NHS medical portfolio. Building a competitive portfolio might sound daunting, but you can start simple. Begin by collecting any certificates, letters, and evaluations you already have. Organize them chronologically, use clear labels, and divide the contents into sections, each representing one of the key components we discussed. Always remember to update your portfolio regularly, as this is a living document that grows with your career. And also, if you're still lost and wondering how you will finish all this, then you can just do one thing. Enroll in Go Campus Portfolio Building Program, which will help you from physical mentorship to portfolio binder, evaluation and scoring. Just comment down hey and we'll reach out to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. Still have any questions, or would you like to share tips from your own experience? Comment below and let's get the conversation started. Thank you for watching.